Baby, not cool, even when it looks like I'm short of time. Both of us are starting to linger. Oh, pretty girl, please don't pass me by. I'm really getting sick of this slipping through my fingers, 'cause I'll never pull the trigger. I do this all the time. Wasn't really what it came for. Seems like my mojo is gone again. Your eyes are telling me that we've become best friends now, 'cause we bought each other's brains out. We do this all the time. Every time I try to get me some, I take it nice and slow, don't wanna jump the gun, 'cause I'm bound to get lucky if I stay up all night. All the lovely girls come running to a pop star, right? Act cool, be classy, keep calm, make a move, but not too fast, just set your own groove.
Baby, you won't even see me taking off my hat. You ain't classy, you're cool when you're talking like that.
But how am I to act if I wanna get some back?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't go like that. Just stroke my hand, touch my arms on my face.
But that's taking it too fast, baby, not my pace. I'm not even sure if I wanna go this way.
Then make up your mind, baby, I'm not gonna wait.
We become best friends now, 'cause we pulled each other's brains out.